Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkasnophile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you very much for love and support. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi mawungasubscribe kusamele subscribe the channel, ulike video, share video as well. So guys, olokhu besisakhuluma ke ngodaba lokamama uMamkhize, umama uShawn Mkhize, right? Ukuthi wayishade nobaba uMpisane, ubaba uSipho and then i-divorce yabo took so long. Bekunesterizo lapha nebesikhuluma ke ngodaba lokamama Mkhize kaZimoja ukuthi umama uMamkhize and ubaba uShawn Mpisane are finally divorced after a long 6 years besalinde ukudivorce or something like that. Namhlanje kunezinye nje ezikhona about amaphoyisa noSARS bagcwele emzini kamama uMamkhize kuningi bafethu ngoba kwaba lo daba lokuthi umama uMamkhize ukolota oSARS amamiliyoni namamiliyoni, right? Kwakhulunywa ngalolo daba ke. Okay, so kwathiwa ukolota uSARS imali eningi bafethu amamiliyoni namamiliyoni, but i-divorce yabo kusho ukuthi bingakabi final yakhe nobaba uSipho Mpisane ongubaba oyindodana yakhe uAndile Mpisane, something like that. So ngathi beona ama-companies bonke and all that bafethu besareport ngodaba lakhe lokuthi bengisathi ngizoyenza i-video on this particular channel, but unfortunately I didn't. But bengiyenzile enye izolo sikhuluma nje ngokuthi umama uMamkhize nobaba uMpisane it took them so long, it took them 6 years wonke ukuthi bagcine be-divorced. Kwathiwa ke at least it is final now, it is finalized. So bekuzolo lokhu namhlanje kunezitori eziningi zakaMamkhize lana kuthiwa ke amaphoyisa ngisho noSARS bagcwele laphana endlini kaMama Mkhize. Remember phela umama Mkhize, she is one of the richest women in South Africa, something like that. Phela une-soccer team futhi soma business like oyaziwayo nje, oh, you know, something like that bafethu. If you know umama Mkhize, you know, right? So besakhuluma ngalo lo daba lakhe ke le divorce lwayizolo namhlanje kuthiwa ke uSARS pounced on Mamkhize. The police and officials raided, and SARS officials have raided Mamkhize's home today. Istory esikhona ke ithingiye lapha na kayisolo ezinyosifunda khona ngesizulu than ukuthi ngisifundelana kaZimoja because wow bafethu ngathi kuningi ke. I'm sorry you guys, a call just came in. So bengisakhuluma ke ngokuthi kuthiwa ke kugcwala amaphoyisa emzini kaShawn Mkhize eLalusha eThekwini. Iphepha lithola ukuthi kugasele ithimba elizoshaqa impahla yalo somabhizinisi ngodaba lokukweleta intela, something like that. Babuye babhala futhi ukuthi amaphoyisa agasele emzini wempunyela engumnikazi weqembu elidlala kuBetway Premiership uShawn Mkhize eLalusha. Kusolakala ukuthi lokhu kumayelana nesikweletu sakhe sakwaSARS, something like that. So yeah, I mean kuningi. So ngizobuyela lapha na ke kaZimoja. That's where I think bane full story. Like umbuzo wami ukuthi bekumele balinde vele a divorce oqala bese beza bazoqoqa, bebengafuna mhlawumbe ukuqoqa like kuhlanganisa ubaba uMpisane, bekumele kulinde nje abe azimele yedwa bese kuzakhe kuzoqoqa ngoba phela bebengaka divorce khumbula. So mhlawumbe uSARS bezothi meqoqa bese kuhlanganisa ubaba uMpisane. So now that they are divorced kodwa bakashare mntaka kanti sebeshareile yini, like kuningi bafethu ngomama Mkhize. Like honestly they are saying the police and SARS officials have pounced at the multi-million rand Durban home of the powerful and rich Sipho Mpisane and Shawn Mkhize, who were granted a divorce 8 days ago. It is alleged that the authorities are raiding the west wing of the house where Mkhize stays. A source who spoke to Zimoja said that there were a lot of police officers and SARS officials at the house, with some taking the furniture from the house. Whereas mawukwele to SARS mntakaba umabeza abashiyi ngisho kwa teaspoon le kwa teaspoon le bayithatha, like really. Judge President Boyo Dlwati of the Durban High Court issued a warrant for search and seizure in favor of SARS against Mkhize on Thursday, 21 November. The court order seen by Zimoja and then reads, in the issuing of warrant for search and seizure concerning the taxpayers identified in Schedule A49, a draft warrant annexed as a SARSA to the notice of motion. Upon the motion of counsel for the applicant, upon the reading the notice of motion and the other documents tied of record, it is ordered, having read the documents filed of record and having heard counsel on behalf of the applicant, the court issues the warrant annexed hereto as a SARSA. So Mkhize, as she is known in the showbiz and business circles, has been trying to fight uSARS for the multi-million rands she owes and the money owed by her son uAndile Mpisane whose Premier Soccer League team Royal AM owes uSARS ama-million ama-rand in unpaid taxes. The businesswoman and media personality reportedly owes the South African Revenue Services more than 37 million rand in unpaid taxes. Hayi bafethu iningi le mali. Ethembeni ezikhona nje ngamaphoyisa just around the house and kuningi ngomama Mkhize bafethu, but ke ngoba yazini phela uRich lo mama mhlambe bazothi mabethatha lokho ka 37 million ke mdaka busazosala nokunye angazi. Khumbula uDr Malinga ukuthi basala bengenatwa mdaka uSARS evela ukuzoqoqa, like uSARS uyaqoqa bafethu momkolota, like uya collector ngisho ne teaspoon ne plate yonke into until imali yakhe yenele. At least mama Mkhize, because she's rich she's thinking rich that one, maybe kukhona ukuzosala mntakaba. Wow, like really? uSARS applied for the execution application at the Pietermaritzburg High Court on the 9th of May to seize 13 luxury cars under a trust owned by Mkhize's brother Melson Mkhize and her two nieces. Curator Jacob Venter was appointed to inspect Shoni's business premises. It's not yet clear if the taxman was raiding the reality star's home for the money owed to them by her trust or for her personal tax, which is estimated at 13 million rands. In 2020, uSARS successfully obtained a liquidation order against Mkhize's cleaning company for owing more than 200,000 rands in unpaid taxes. Mkhize secured much of her wealth from multiple government tenders to build low-cost housing in KwaZulu-Natal. Now, indlu kaMkhize mina umuntu uyayibuka nje lapha mntaka baba uyabona ukuthi lenkandla layo ngathi yenza kancane bafethu, like really she is very rich and angazi ukuthi manje why ube ngakhokheli uSARS. Bafethu it is very important ukuthi uzibone usema offices akaSARS, because mhlabeza ke mntaka baba uzosala ungena ngisho nombhedi wokulala, like uSARS uyaqoqa bafethu. Like angazi ukuthi umuntu orich njengomama Mkhize, what was the reason of not paying uSARS? Like it doesn't make any sense bafethu. Mkhize ngabhadala uSARS kanje the way reaching ngakhona angakhokhela uSARS manje. So the question is, why not pay? Why not pay intela? Like it doesn't make any sense to me. Bana ngazi bafethu ke kuthiwa amaphoyisa ehamba nabakaSARS balaphiyana kaMama Mkhize ngathi nje bazoqoqa kubonakala nje ama furniture and all that. Mhlambe ukhona sasala na ku girl uRich. Okay, uRich uma bezoqoqela wena nje ufana nami Nkosi yami bavele bathathe kwa wena lokho. Bathathe into esendlini bawe bathathe kwa wena kuvele kungasali lutho. Yo bafethu kunzima. Asizifundiseni ukukhokhela uSARS, okay? Ngoba angazi lama celebrities why bengakhokhela uSARS. Njalo nje uSARS uyabahlasela. Remember omakhazi, they are owing so much money to SARS. Dr Malinga, all these people that were trending here ukuthi abakhokhela uSARS, they are celebrities. Ngizibuza manje kanti why ningakhokhela uSARS ngoba imali ninayo? Abantu bengekho rich uzobafica nje bekhokhela uSARS kahle. But those rich people, they are not paying uSARS. I'm like, just go and pay, man. It's not like awuna mali. Like when zamasbomo like uzohlaselwa kanje for what? Angazi bafethu. Mbona ko on the comment section like i video, subscribe, share mntaka. Sizobonana kwelandelayo. Bye.